Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson, and we have a new NYSE profile for Wednesday's session. That stock is SRFM, Surf Air Mobility. This is a company that we have never profiled before and just IPO'd last August. The stock closed tonight at $1.13 and has two analyst price targets. Piper Sandler initiated last September at $4, an overweight rating, and in August 28th, Canaccord Genuity initiated a buy rating with a $3 price target. Average daily volume is just 147,000 shares, and there's a 1.18 million share short position in SRFM. With some volume, we could see a major short squeeze, especially if it gets above today's high of $1.38. This is a company that has seen strong year-over-year growth and already has significant revenues coming in the door. Surf Air Mobility is a Los Angeles-based regional air mobility platform seeking to expand the category of regional air travel by reinventing flying through the power of electrification. In an effort to substantially reduce the cost and environmental impact of flying, and as the operator of the largest commuter airline in the U.S. by scheduled departures, Surf Air Mobility intends to develop proprietary powertrain technology with its commercial partners to electrify existing fleets and bring electrified aircraft to market at scale. Instead of building new electric aircraft entirely from scratch, which could take decades, Surf Air Mobility is partnering with aviation manufacturing giant Textron Aviation and leading aviation tech innovator AeroTEC to develop revolutionary new technology to support upgrading the widely popular Cessna Grand Caravan aircraft with fully electric and hybrid electric powertrains once certified. Surf Air Mobility has made significant strides in its global expansion plans, signing several significant deals with aircraft operators to upgrade the widely popular Cessna Grand aircraft with fully electric and hybrid electric powertrains in critical global markets. Some key highlights. The market potential for regional air mobility is significant, with an estimated global total addressable market of around $75 billion to $115 billion by 2035. Surf Air Mobility is already the largest commuter airline in the U.S. by scheduled departures, flying over 450,000 passengers on around 75,000 flights to 48 destinations in the U.S. in 2022. Surf Air Mobility, which has reported around $101 million in revenue in 2022, operates across multiple revenue streams, which include scheduled air service, recurring government contracts through the Essential Air Service Program, and off-flight on-demand operations. The company has strong commercial relationships with industry leaders across the value chain, including Palantir Technology, Textron Aviation, Jetstream Aviation Capital. Surf Air Mobility also has access to $850 million in capital, giving the company runway to fuel its growth. The company also recently restructured its capital structure with a term sheet related to the potential issuance of a mandatory convertible debenture to GEM, which aims to reduce near-term overhang and dilution. Surf Air aims to be the Uber of commercial air travel. And you can see here we have a chart with the competitors, SRFM. You can see here comparing to Joby Aviation, JOBY, Beta Technology, Archer Aviation, Blade Air Mobility. Joby has no revenue, $4.4 billion market cap. Beta, privately held, $2.4 billion market cap. And Archer Aviation, $1.489 billion market cap. And whereas Surf Air has under $100 million market cap. For more information, check out their company website at surfair.com, and to read our full report on SRFM, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared, unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Moving on to overall markets, not a whole lot going on ahead of tomorrow's FOMC meeting. The consensus expectation is that interest rates will be held steady and that only very subtle changes will be made to the policy statement. At 2:30 p.m., Fed Chair Jay Powell will hold a press conference that will be closely watched to see his tone and what he has to say. Tonight, we had a few disappointing earnings reports. Alphabet and AMD disappointed. Microsoft came in better than expected, but still sold off on profit taking. All three are lower in after-hours action. Tomorrow we get Boeing earnings, and they have their earnings call at 10:30 a.m. Eastern, which will be closely watched for updates on the Boeing 737 MAX. One earnings beat that I am watching for tomorrow is SWKS. Skyworks Solutions shares were up nearly 6% after market closed tonight, after the semiconductor company reported first quarter results and second quarter guidance. Skyworks earned an adjusted $1.97 per share on $1.2 billion in revenue, which beat estimates of $1.95 per share and was in line with expected revenue. It also generated a record $753 million in operating cash flow during the period. For the second quarter, Skyworks expects to generate sales between $1.02 billion and $1.07 billion, which is roughly in line with the $1.04 billion consensus. It also expects to earn $1.52 per share, which is less than the consensus of $1.55 per share. Company said, we expect our mobile business to be seasonally down sequentially, consistent with historical patterns, while in broad markets we anticipate modest growth off the December quarter. Skyworks produces chips for smartphones and other wireless devices. Apple is its largest customer. Also on watch is CRBP. The stock jumped over 249% on Friday after announcing early but positive data from a small group of cancer patients who received its antibody drug conjugate CRB-701 in a phase 1 trial. Citing in December data cut in patients with cancers expressing a tumor-associated antigen called Nectin-4, Corbus said that the CRB-701 led to an objective response rate of 43%, including 3 partial responses. The data from the first 18 participants who received the first 6 dose levels represented the readout, which was part of its phase 1 dose escalation study for CRB-701 by Corbus's partner CSPC Pharmaceutical Group in China. With dosing up to 3.6 milligrams per kilogram completed, there were no dose discontinuations or reductions, and most adverse effects were grade 1 or 2 and reversible, the company said. Dosing is currently underway for the 4.5 milligram per kilogram group, and the company intends to start a U.S. clinical trial for CRB-701 in Q1 2024. And the stock sold off on offering news. This was on Monday. We got profit taking. But tonight, the company modified that offering, and we are trading higher after hours. Closed at 25.16. We are trading at 28.41 in the after hours. I'll be watching this one for more continuation tomorrow. Just a 4.41 million share float. And at Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech, FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up, just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial, and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to LFG Equities Corp for sponsoring this video on SRFM. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.